Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. So I am here today to talk about this hair, these goddess locks. Now I think that forces are against me in getting this video to you. Let me explain quickly. My battery is dying, my extra battery pack, I forgot to charge it. I have been trying to record this video for weeks. I recorded one, it got deleted. Oh, so the battery pack did die and I'm switching in between two battery packs. Anyway, I want to get this video up for you, so let me go quickly. If I go really quickly, forgive me. Alright, so this is my hair. I know somebody's gonna ask. This took me literally probably 24 hours to do, and my braids are really small because my hair is extremely short, so I had to do them small. And I actually love how they look. The ends are like this ombre, and I use human hair for the ends. This is the hair that I actually use. This is by the brand Bijoux, and this is their solo green collection, and this is the Bohemian curl. Well, the curl is called Bohemian, and it is in 10 inches, and it is in the color ST1B/30/27. So it is ombre hair, and it looks like this in the pack. 1B at the top, and this is the 30, and this is the 27 at the bottom. I use about, I want to say maybe half to 3/4 of the pack of hair. And to actually braid my hair, I forgot to mention, if you don't know how to do goddess locks, I have a tutorial on my channel. I'll put the card up above for you to click to watch it. So I use normal braiding Kanekalon hair in 1B. I use a pack, and I split it in, I cut it into thirds, and I braided it onto my hair. And then this is the really crazy part, I cut this off of the weft, and I use some bonding glue to stick the bottom of the Kanekalon braiding hair. So let's say I braided to where my hair stopped with the Kanekalon braiding hair, I left it loose, and then right by the bottom I stuck on the wefted hair, and then I took the Marley braid hair and I wrapped it all the way around. Now I don't have the actual packet because I use all the Marley braiding hair. I want to say maybe 2.5 packs. I used 2 packs of this, and I would have used all 2.5 packs of this if I did have it, but I didn't. I only had 2 packs of this, and this is Afro Braid. Well, it's Supreme Afro Braid, and I have it in the color M27/2. And because I said I only could find 2 packs of that, I bought 2 packs of this. And it actually, you can't even tell the difference between the two hairs. It sounds weird, but they're the exact same color. And this is the Senegalese Twist braid by Expression, and I have this in a color M1B/27, and I have this at the back, and as I said, you cannot tell the difference at all. You really can't. So what else can I say about this hair? It is lightweight. As I said, it took me a very long time to do, but I love how it looks. It has this kind of bohemian look and feel to it, especially because of the ends of the hair. And I'm trying to remember what else I can say, because there probably are going to be questions. I can't think of anything else to say, but I have had this in now for maybe 3 weeks. Yeah, almost, yeah, about 3 weeks I've had this in. I don't know what else I can say about it, to be honest. Let me think. Don't know what else. Anyway, before my battery dies, let me end this video. I hope that you enjoyed this video. If there are any questions, feel free to leave them down below, and I'll answer them if I can. So as I said, I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you have, please don't forget to give it a massive thumbs up, and if you have not already, go ahead and click my face down below and subscribe to my channel. So until next time, bye bye.